हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। अब हम बात करने वाले हैं क्यू कार्ड्स की। विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद अ क्यू कार्ड। आई एम गोना लीव द स्क्रीन स्पेस so that you can read it easily, as always I do. So let's get started.
Guys, we are gonna do two cue card. So the first one is water sports, कि आप कौन सी करना चाहते हो फ्यूचर में, कब करोगे, कहाँ करोगे और क्यों पसंद है. So let's get started. There are a lot of water sports available in India, such as river rafting, scuba diving, jet skiing, banana boat rides, and so on. And frankly speaking, I am a water person, so I want to do all those activities. But the activity which is on my priority list is undersea walking. This is a very unique and latest water sport activity which has especially been designed for the people who don't know how to swim. So, even those people just like me who don't know anything about swimming can also enjoy this sport. It is very safe to do, and I'll be planning to go to Andamans and Nicobars in coming holidays with my friends. So luckily when I searched about this place, then I felt so surprised, actually thrilled to know that undersea walking or the helmet diving is conducted in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. I'll definitely try it when I'll go there, because this sport do not need any special equipment apart from a helmet which is used for the breathing. So, and moreover, I don't need any special skill which is swimming. So, as I already said, this is very safe sport because there will be a guide with you which will help you to be underwater or to do underwater walking. So the main reason why I like this sport is that I don't have to learn swimming to do this, and believe me, it's very easy. So I'm really gonna try the undersea walking this summer. Okay guys, so now our next cue card is describe a occasion when you got up very early. So मैंने इसमें ये लिखा है कि मैं मतलब इट वाज माय फ्लाइट टू बैंगलोर, तो मैं उसके लिए जल्दी उठी थी. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड आवर क्यू कार्ड. आप क्यू कार्ड का क्वेश्चन अपनी स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं. नाउ आई एम गोना स्टार्ट माय क्यू कार्ड. ओके, वेल, it's a good habit to get up early in the morning. In fact, I am a morning person, so I get up around 6:30 in the morning to see the first ray of the sun. However, I'm going to talk about a situation when I woke up extremely early. That was about 2 a.m. So what happened was, last year I got admission in banking and finance diploma, and I had a flight from Delhi to Bangalore near about 11:30 a.m. So it was like quite important for me to reach at least 2 to 3 hours prior the flight timing. So I had finished my all my packings by midnight, and believe me, I put a lot of alarms, multiple alarms on my mobile phone for getting up early in the morning. As my alarm keeps in the morning, it was very hard to wake up for me first. Then I forced myself to get up, and after I woke up, I washed my face and I make some milk tea for myself and my parents. Next I awake my parents, and following it, I called the cab driver which I booked for going. Luckily he came on time and we left our house for the airport. There are some reasons why I got up extremely early. Firstly, I didn't want to stuck in traffic jams. Secondly, it was important for me to reach on before time to complete the necessary paperwork. Last but not the least, on the day weather was not too good, so it was essential for us to go early to reach early. Thus, this was the time when I got up extremely early. Okay, guys, so this was it, and I have used very simple language. So believe me, अगर आप ऐसे बोल के आओगे और आपके वर्ड्स इतना मैटर नहीं करते जितना आपकी फ्लुएंसी और प्रोनाउंसिएशन मैटर करती है आइल्स स्पीकिंग में. सो अगर आप जैसे मैंने आपको बताया आप ऐसे भी बोल के आओगे तो यू विल ईजिली गेट 7.5 to 8 बैंड्स. Okay, so there is only one word which I think is bit out of the blue. So it was unique. Unique का मतलब होता है one of its kind, means बिल्कुल सबसे अलग, सबसे जुदा. बाकी words बहुत easy हैं, but still if you find some difficulty you can put a message or a comment. So please like, subscribe, share. Thank you.